How to create social media captions with Gemini AI. Full Guide 2025. Step 1. Open Gemini AI. Go to gemini.google.com/app and sign in to your Google account. Step 2. Select Write Anything. At the bottom of the screen, select Write Anything. Step 3. Describe your caption needs. Type what you need, including the platform like Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, or X, the topic or product, the tone, and the hashtags. A simple prompt example: write an Instagram caption for a coffee shop promo, friendly tone, and include 3 hashtags. Step 4. Click Send or Submit. Press Send to let Gemini write the caption. Step 5. Copy or edit. Copy the caption or ask Gemini to rewrite it if you want it shorter, funnier, or more professional.